Empire. A political unit made of several territories, military outposts, and peoples, usually created by conquest, and divided between a dominant center and subordinate peripheries. Imperialism. Principle of perpetual territorial dominance and hegemony. Colonialism. Practice of perpetual territorial occupation and subjugation. Colonialism in its strict and historic sense means the practice of settling a large number of colonists in subject countries, as did the British in North America, Ireland, Southern Africa, Australia, and New Zealand, the French in Algeria, the Spanish and Portuguese in Latin America, and many parallel examples in the pre-modern world. Imperialism and colonialism organized. Academic associations, exploration societies, sea privateers, religious missionaries, trade companies, private companies, colonial administrations, and propaganda. 2 Esdras 11 verse 45. Imperialism and colonialism employed. Religious proselytism, academic subjugation, economic exploitation, industrial sabotage, military occupation, physical then mental slavery, social apartheid, cultural assimilation, and racial extermination. 2 Esdras 11 verse 42. Hegemony. The geopolitical, cultural, economic, and military predominance of one state over other states, regional or global. The Western powers, influential nations in Europe and North America, dominant in global politics, economics, and military affairs, established global hegemony by means of colonialism in Africa, Asia, and America. Hegemony is distinguished from empire as ruling only external but not internal affairs of other states. Zionism. A nationalist movement for originally the re-establishment and now development and protection of a Jewish nation in what is now the State of Israel, formally established as a political organization in 1897 CE under Theodor Herzl. The Zionist enterprise is an enterprise of conquest. Burl Katznelson, 1929 CE. The Zionist Federation of Great Britain and Ireland 1899 CE is an umbrella organization for the Zionist movement, established to campaign for a permanent homeland for the Jewish people in modern-day Palestine, said to be the Promised Land of Israel. But where is the Promised Land of Israel? It was the land promised to Abraham, which is, clearly from reading Genesis chapter 13, to the south of Egypt, up the river Nile, beyond the Great Desert. Tropical Africa. Following the establishment of the State of Israel, Zionism patronizes its development, protection and hegemony. Disenfranchisement and material alienation of peoples is inequity.